really grated apple. Hi fam, welcome back. So let's make some healthy granolas from the nuts that we got, that I showed you guys. Let me show you guys how to make a very simple and healthy granola bar. Seed, pumpkin seed. Now you want to get another bowl with a cup of coconut oil, 1 cup of honey, lemon, cinnamon powder, ginger powder, tablespoon of salt, apples. Get your grater and then you want to shred your apples. Once you it's black sesame seed, white sesame seed, some sunflower seeds, cashew nuts. Then we have some crushed pecans, some hazelnuts, some dried figs, some crushed walnuts, nuts. We have the grated apples, a good mix. Mix properly. A little bit of mix. So once you're done, we want to pop that into the also, including some raisins. The granola is ready, you guys. So you guys, granola is ready, and you can sell this and make lots and lots of money, and your customers are actually going to love it. Now let me know in the comments, are you going to try this granola recipe? Like, share, drop a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to follow.